Hello my crafty friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I'm going to be sharing with you my design team project from Cheaply Chic. So this is something that I've been doing for a while on my channel. If you're just now joining me from her channel, welcome. I post probably at least 2 or 3 videos a month on the different journal kits that she puts out. So if you want some inspiration, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you join my little channel, and I'm really here to just inspire people and do some crafting. So if you're interested in any of that, go ahead and subscribe down below. So I basically what I'm going to do now, Cheaply Chic obviously goes through the whole entire collection with you and shows you all the bits and pieces that are in it. So I'm not going to do that on my channel right now. I am going to kind of put the collection aside. Now, the thing that she did not go over with you is the extra pieces that we got from Yaleidy. So this is something, Yaleidy actually has a specific, she sends some packages with some goodies that she just basically gives to Cheaply Chic, to Lynette, to add to her collections, and it basically makes it 2 collections in one, so you get like double your value. I mean, Cheaply Chic's collections by themselves are already great value, but then on addition, sometimes every once in a while you get extra goodies. She didn't share this package on her channel because she hadn't got it yet, but I'm going to go ahead and share it now so that you guys can see what extras come in the collection. Now, she has sold out of the Be Merry collection, so unfortunately there's none left. But in the future, if you want to subscribe to her channel and get some, be up to date on when she loads videos and things, you can go ahead and do that, and then you won't miss out on any collections that she gets. So let's go ahead and see what's in here, and we will go from there. So the first thing that I found is this really cute little wooden clip. Looks like a little Santa Claus belt. And then I did notice that she also included some of these stickers like she did for the fall collection. So I just want to open these up because the fall ones are really cute. And I can only imagine that these are just as cute. So I just want to take a look at these. Oh yeah. Let's go ahead and open this. So there's some Santa Clauses, penguins. Oh, the reindeers are super cute. And then some ornaments and Christmas trees and little stockings, candles. Oh, I love the snow globe. Holly leaves, berries, bells. Yep, really super cute. And then there's another little pack of a bunch of little goodies. There's some flowers in here and a couple little buttons. So really cute. Looks like we've got a couple little things in here too. Some poinsettias and some stickers and some little chalkboard label stickers. There's a bunch of fibers in this one. I love all of these fibers. They're so cute. Like that. It looks like there's just some little goodies in here. There's a index card, a couple little labels, a cute little playing card with a Santa on it. I love that. A little pocket with a tag, some game pieces, and then another little baggie with a little, there's a little Santa Claus tag, a little tree tag, a little light bulb, a couple other little pieces in here that are super cute. And then she has some paper clips. I love these paper clips. I love that she does this. This takes some time to do, and then she puts them in this tiny little bag. So there is the ones that I got, and they could obviously be different. I got a little charm with the Santa Claus, A little Christmas tree charm. Yep, so cute. I'm going to put that in my little bin over here so I don't lose those. So many things, so many goodies. Some little felt things in here. Really cute. Oh, I love that gold doily. That's a really pretty doily. Then a full sticker sheet of poinsettias. And this really cute little bag that looks like a sweater. And then let's see, looks like there's a napkin in here. Another doily. A couple napkins. Really cute for decoupaging. And then there is a Christmas card in here with a really cute tree. I love the outline of the little tag or the card. And a cute little polka dot bag. And then a cute little gold foiled bag. And then she's got some paper in here. Oh, this is from, this is actually from, I think this is from the collection. No, I did not buy this one. I think these are from Michael's, so you probably get different sheets. And then there's a big doily in here, and then some different pages, book pages that she included. Some recipe book pages, really cool paper. This is some cool paper. And it looks like a couple of things of, I got a Raggedy Ann one. And then, oh, cute. Little coloring page. Oh, this is cool. Some tissue paper. Santa Claus is on it. And then a tea-dyed piece of paper. And then a music sheet. So basically, you get twice as much stuff in the collection when Yaleidy gives us stuff. Super cool that she does that. So I thought that I would share that with you. And then, of course, then we have, you know, all the stuff that Lynette gets us. So it's lots and lots of goodies that you get with the collection. So I'm going to actually just go ahead and flip through mine because obviously they're all kind of different because they have, she has different stuff in each one. So I got this page as my little page in here. I love the Rudolph music sheet, counting paper. I love that little paper in there. And of course it just repeats itself. So yeah. So that is the collection for this time around. I will be playing with this and getting some videos out probably the first couple weeks of December. I did finish up my Give Thanks journal. It's nice and stuffed, so I will be doing a walkthrough or a flip through of this here shortly as well. Yeah, so that's everything that I wanted to share with you this time. I just wanted to show you the extra goodies that Yaleidy, at least the ones that I got from Yaleidy in our collection this month. So if you're excited to use this journal kit, please go ahead and leave me a comment down below and tell me, like, what is your favorite item in the collection and what do you love most about the collection? Is it all the fibers? Is it all the different tags and pockets that we get? Things like that. So let me down below. I just love to hear your thoughts on that. So I will see you again real soon. Bye for now.